Welcome. In today's class, I'm going to walk you through on how you can create book cover for KDP. So, if you're a publisher on Amazon KDP, this video will be helpful for you on creating book cover for your books. Okay. All right. I'm going to use Publisher for this teaching, which is one of the applications in Microsoft 365 suite. Okay, it's a basic office software. So here is it at the taskbar of my computer. I've already pinned it there, so I will click on it for it to open. So once the application opens, we start creating the book cover we want from there. Okay, so follow me in steps as you learn how you can do that. All right, so the start screen has opened, so I will select the option for blank A4. So I'll click on it for the page to open. So after the page has opened, the next step I have to take is choosing my page, setting up my page size. Okay. All right, so it has opened. I will be discussing this using dimension of 6 by 9 inches, and by default publisher is set in cm. So let me go and change the dimension, the measuring unit. So I'll click on file, click on options. I'll wait for it to open, so I'll click on advanced, then click on this spot and select inches, because book in KDP are measured in inches. This will cover for both the paper format and the ebook format. So, and then I will go on to page design tab, then to set up my page. Okay, set up the size, then click on size, then click on page setup. So I'll be using 6 by 9 as I said before. So here I will change this unit to 6, then here I will change this unit to 9. That's width by height. Okay, which is the basic dimension in Amazon KDP. Okay, book cover design. I will change this to 0.4. That's the margins. 0.4. Sorry. Then here 0.4. Then after setting up the margins, you have to click on OK. Did I get it all right? Okay, let me get back to the page setup again and see if there is something I did wrong. Yes, I did something wrong here. So this is 0.4. Okay, good. So click on OK. You can see it has come back to normal. Okay, I have chosen the dimensions I want for the book, and the next step is to introduce what we call background picture in this cover design. And for you to do that, click on page design, click on background, click on more background, because I want to use a background picture I have already downloaded inside my computer. So that's why I'm doing this. So I recommend you do the same, because it will give your cover picture, your book cover, a nice look. Okay, so select the option picture or texture file, then click on insert, click on from a file, so that I can get it from my computer. So automatically it has opened the file explorer of my computer. So this is where I saved some cover pictures, background pictures. So I will click on this is what I want to use, then click on OK. You can see it has been introduced into this design. So the next step is to create my heading, the book title, the subtitle, and the author's name. So the book title by default is usually at the top part. So and for me to create that, I have to introduce what is called text box. Without text box, you cannot write on publisher program. So I'll go to insert tab, click on draw test box. Then I will take my cursor down to the section I want to draw the test box. Press down the left button of my mouse. Then I'll draw towards the right. Okay. So let's assume this book, I want to create a book on how to make money online. So that's what will be my main title, how to make money online. So I'll click on this font size section and select let's say 48. So I'll start typing my main title, how to make money online. Okay, that's a nice one. So do I need to make this board? Okay, let me just see if I can make them move by selecting all. I click on go. Beautiful. So this fits in properly, though I may change the text color later, but let's go, just keep going. So let me create the subheading of this book. So I'll click on insert again, click on draw text box command. There, I'll come here and draw my text box. So let me just give this font size first. At the initial stage of 36, I would like go with 28. Let's go with 36. Steps, let's see, ways to make money online in easy steps. Okay, I think that's good. That's a good subheading. You know, the beautiful thing about giving your book a subheading is because it will help to make Amazon algorithm to discover your book quickly. So if you don't know that. So any of your books you create on Amazon, ensure you give it a subheading. It will get a long way to make your book discoverable when people search for it in Amazon search engine. I hope that's noted. Okay, so I will select all. I want to change the font now. Control A. Let me go with Times New Roman. Nice New Roman for this software. So I'll make it good. So then I will let me align everything center. Here, align center. Okay. Then let me change the font color to yellow so that it's different from the main heading. Okay. Then this main heading, it didn't reflect. So let's go. Come here. Then select yellow. Okay. So then here I will change this main title, the font color to white. I think it will be better. Control A. Then the font color. Remember, we are in the text box command. Once you select a text box, you see a few of these commands appear on top. That's a shape format and text box. Okay, so we're on text box now. So I'll click on here and let's select white. Let's see how it goes. That's beautiful. It's more beautiful here. Okay, let me introduce my money did not enter well. You can see that it's hyphened. So how do I go about it? I'll click inside this text box so that this hyphen will go. Then I'll click on this spot, hyphenation. Then just turn off this. Click OK. Alright, so it has aligned well. Then let me insert the author's name. Let me even drag this up a little. Okay, the guide line is helping us. So that we don't cross this line. Ensure you don't cross this line. It's important so that There will be no issue when they want to print your book, okay, on KDP. Then let me create the author's name. I have to go back to insert, then draw text box. Then I will drag it towards the right. So which author's name will I use here? Okay, let's say Godwin Tech. On the assumption that my first name is Godwin and then my last name is Tech. Okay, so I will make everything capital. Godwin Tech. Okay, so I will select all because I want to change the font as well as the font size and the color. So let me go with this Bodoni. I think I'm good with that, but that means I have to change the font size maybe to 42. Let me see what I have there. Oh, wow, it's too big. So just still change the size again until you get what you want. So okay, let me make another change here. Okay, at the end I arrive at 38 is cool, so better have to change the font color as well. So I will select all, then click here and select white. I think white is cool. All right, so this is just a simple design. Okay, so after you are done with the designing of the cover, the next is to save this in your computer. Okay, because KDP requires some format like JPEG and PNG also. So let's go with saving this work in the JPEG format. Okay, so click on File tab, then click on Save As, then browse, then you select any folder in your computer where you want to save this file. So for me, let me save it in Publisher. So I think it's cool. So then here under file name, just give it a name of your choice. Cover design 1 or just cover D. I'm okay with that. Then under save as type, click on that section and then go with either PNG or JPEG file. So I'm going with JPEG. I like that. So click the save button. Okay, so once this is done, you are okay and you are good to go. But look at what you have to observe here. When you, this is a guideline, so but when you open this picture after saving, you see that this guideline will not be there. So let's just try it out. Let's try it out and see what we have. Down here, home, then here, this is where I saved it. Cover, where is that? Okay, I'll double click on it for it to open so that you see what you just designed, how it looks like. Okay, so that will convince you that when you upload this cover, it will, go well on the KDP platform. You see how to make money online. You can see there is nothing like those guidelines again showing. So it's just a plain design on its own. Okay, so that is that. So when you, as I said, I used the 6x9 inches at the dimension of the cover design. So when you upload this, if you choose when you are creating your book design using a cover creator section program of Amazon Kindle, you, once you choose that dimension 6x9 and upload this cover, it will fit in well. And I will recommend, our advice, go with the, if you are publishing paper, go with the template on that cover creator. Go with the template that will allow you to upload front cover alone. So when you upload this front cover, in the front cover, just upload this design here, then do your back cover from that platform, for the cover creator. But if you are publishing ebook, it's still cool. Just upload this. You don't even need to stress yourself. Just in the section for choose how you want to upload your cover, just go with the option to upload it as already designed. Then open your file explorer and get that uploaded, and you're good to go. So I hope this video helps, and thank you for taking your time to watch. I will solicit for your subscription. If you have not subscribed to my channel before, please hit the subscribe button, as it will help my channel to grow. Okay, then like this video and leave a comment if you have any. Thank you once again, and see you some other time.